Hey everyone, managing multiple accounts on Threads? No worries, I've got you covered. Here's a quick guide to seamlessly switch between accounts and stay organized without losing your mind. Let's dive in. First step, Threads makes it easy to manage multiple profiles. Here's how to add a second account. Go to your profile at the bottom right, and then tap the menu icon at the top right, and then you're gonna see switch profile. All right, you're gonna be able to see switch profiles from here, and you're gonna be able to add your profile and log in with other account. You can see right here, log in with another Instagram account at the bottom, and then go ahead and start adding your account, right? And you're gonna be able to switch accounts like a pro. To switch between accounts, go to your profile again, right? And click your 3 or 2 bars at the top, right? And then switch profiles. Click add profile, and you're going to be able to log in using your other account, right? It's seamless and takes only a second, right? And if you want to customize notifications for each account, stay on top of your activity without getting overwhelmed by going to your settings. Go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, and then scroll down to the notifications, right? Turn off any unnecessary alerts for accounts you don't check so often. You could go out to your Instagram, make sure that you allow notifications, and any unnecessary notifications you can disable it from within the Instagram, because Instagram linked to the thread. You can go ahead to your Instagram right here, right, and click your profile icon at the bottom right, click the 3 bars from here, right, and you're gonna see notifications. Go ahead and you can manage your notifications from here, in case of posts, stories and comments, following and followers, messages, whatever. Okay, next, plan and prioritize content. Okay, if you're juggling personal, business, or niche accounts, plan your post ahead of time. Use a content calendar or draft a post directly in Threads to keep each account consistent and focused. You could go ahead and type right here post, right, and cancel, right, and discard this thread. You're gonna be able right here to see that I haven't saved it, right? But if I type hi, for example, right, and type something quick, you're gonna be able right here to see poll. You're gonna see camera, mic, and all that stuff, right? If you're writing a thread, let's say for example hi, and add thread button, something right here, right? You could go ahead and see right here that I have to post it. So plan your content ahead of time in order to stay active, right, and engage efficiently. Switching accounts doesn't mean you have to lose time. They dedicate specific time slots to engage with followers on each account. For example, on this account, I'm gonna be able to engage with this person, for example, right? But if I went and switch to my account by double clicking my profile, I'm gonna be able to switch back to my account and go to my profile and start engaging with other followers. Okay, 10 minutes, for example, per account in the morning and evening works great for staying active. Okay, and keep personal and professional separate. Accidentally posting on the wrong account can be awkward. Double check before you hit the post button at the bottom right. Okay, it set reminders for which account you are managing at any given time, and that's it. Managing multiple accounts on Threads doesn't have to be stressful. Got tips for handling more than one profile? Share them in the comments and let's help each other out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.